Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Mia, your favorite place to learn real, natural English. I'm Mia.
And I'm Jack. Merry Christmas, everyone. Or if you're watching this a little early, happy holidays.
We are so excited for today's video. Many of you loved our feelings lesson, so today we are going even bigger. We're giving you the ultimate English masterclass for Christmas.
That's right. This isn't just about saying Merry Christmas. We're going to talk about decorations, traditional food, family time, gift giving, and the emotions that many people feel during this magical season.
By the end of this video, you'll be able to join any Christmas conversation, write a holiday card, or watch any Christmas movie and understand it better.
Before we unwrap this lesson, please hit that like button. It's like a small Christmas gift to us. And subscribe to Talk Me At so you never miss a real English conversation.
Jack, warm-up question. When I say Christmas, what is the first feeling that comes to your mind?
I think the first feeling is nostalgic.
Ooh, that's a great word. Can you explain it?
Sure, nostalgic means you feel happy and a little sad at the same time when you remember something from the past. For me, Christmas reminds me of being a child. Snow, presents, waking up early. It's a very warm memory. What about you, Mia?
I feel cozy. For me, Christmas is all about warmth. It's cold outside, but inside we have blankets, tea, and the fire is burning. It feels so safe and comfortable.
Cozy is the perfect December feeling. Okay, let's talk about how people get ready for Christmas.
Christmas isn't just one day, it's a whole season. In English, the weeks before Christmas are often called the festive season or the build-up.
And the first thing people do is decorate. Let's talk about some Christmas decorating vocabulary.
Jack, walk us through the Christmas tree.
Sure, first you choose the tree. It can be real, like a pine or fir tree, or artificial, which means fake. On the tree, we hang ornaments, little decorations, sometimes balls, sometimes cute shapes. In the UK, people also call them baubles. We also add tinsel, which is shiny, glittery string. Then we put fairy lights on the tree to make it glow. And finally, we add the topper, a star or an angel on the very top.
I love putting the star on top. It feels like the finishing touch. But we don't only decorate the tree, right?
Right. We also hang stockings, big red socks, usually by the fireplace. The story says Santa fills them with candy and small toys.
We also hang a wreath on the front door. A wreath is a circle made of pine branches. It looks beautiful and welcoming.
And, of course, mistletoe, a small plant we hang from the ceiling. Tradition says if two people stand under it, they have to kiss.
Yes, that can make people nervous or excited depending on the person next to them.
Viewers, do you put up a Christmas tree? If yes, is it real or artificial? Tell us in the comments.
Now let's talk about Christmas shopping.
Oh, yes. The shops are crowded, everyone is rushing, and people feel stressed. Here are a few phrases you can use.
If you don't know what to buy, you can say, I'm struggling to find the perfect gift for my brother.
If you want a good price, you might say, I'm hunting for bargains.
And when we buy a gift, we wrap it in wrapping paper and add a bow on top.
Let's show a natural gift-giving conversation. Hey, Mia, I got you a little something for Christmas. I hope you like it.
Oh, Jack, you shouldn't have. That's so sweet of you. Can I open it now?
Go ahead. I wasn't sure if you liked blue, but I tried.
Wow, a scarf. I love it. It's so soft. Thank you so much. This is exactly what I needed.
I'm so relieved you like it. Merry Christmas.
That was a great example. You shouldn't have is a polite way to show surprise and gratitude. And I'm relieved means you feel better because the person liked your gift.
But Mia, what if the gift is bad?
Yes. If someone gives you an ugly sweater or something you don't like, you don't say, I hate it.
No, no. Instead, you say something polite like, oh, how interesting, or thank you for thinking of me.
We also have gift traditions like Secret Santa. Everyone picks one name and buys a gift for that person.
And White Elephant, a funny game where people exchange silly or useless gifts just for fun.
Now let's talk about Christmas dinner food.
Yes, in many countries, Christmas dinner is a big event. Even though it's called dinner, many families eat at lunchtime.
The main dish is usually roast turkey or glazed ham.
And the side dishes are delicious. Mashed potatoes, creamy and buttery, stuffing, bread, onions, and herbs, sometimes cooked inside the turkey, gravy, a brown sauce we put on everything, cranberry sauce, a sweet red sauce that goes with turkey.
And how do you feel after eating all that?
Stuffed.
Stuffed means very, very full. You might also hear food coma, which means you ate so much that you feel sleepy.
Let's show a natural conversation at the dinner table. Mia, could you pass the gravy, please?
Here you go. Would you like more potatoes?
Just a little, thank you. Everything looks delicious. Did you make the stuffing yourself?
Yes, it's my grandmother's recipe. I was worried it might be too dry.
Not at all. It's perfect. This is a wonderful feast.
Complimenting the cook is very important. Try phrases like, everything tastes amazing, or this is delicious.
Now let's talk about emotions during Christmas. Some are positive, some are a little difficult.
Positive feelings include festive, which means full of holiday spirit, grateful, which means thankful, and merry, which means happy.
But Christmas can also bring difficult emotions. Overwhelmed means you have too much to do. Stressed is similar, and lonely means you feel alone, especially if you are far from home.
If you feel lonely, you can say, I'm missing home today. It's a gentle, honest phrase.
And if someone else looks lonely, you can offer kindness. Would you like to join us? That's the true spirit of Christmas.
And after Christmas, some people feel the post-Christmas blues. The fun is over, the decorations come down, and life feels a little empty. It's normal. To help you sound more natural, here are some Christmas idioms and useful phrases.
Jack, Christmas came early. Something good happened unexpectedly.
Lit up like a Christmas tree, something very bright or someone very happy.
The more, the merrier. More people means more fun.
Don't be a Scrooge. Don't be negative about Christmas.
White Christmas, a Christmas with snow.
'Tis the season. It's the time for joy and celebration.
Stocking stuffer, a small gift. Trim the tree, decorate the tree. Bah humbug, something you say jokingly if you hate Christmas.
Jack, are you a Scrooge?
No way, I am basically an elf.
Now it's story time. Close your eyes and imagine the scene.
It was Christmas Eve in London. The streets were bustling with last-minute shoppers. Sarah wrapped her scarf around her neck as she walked towards her parents' house. She felt nostalgic as she passed the old toy shop she loved as a child. When she opened the door, the warm aroma of cinnamon and roast turkey filled the house. Her father was trying to untangle the fairy lights, looking a little flustered. Her mother laughed softly. Sarah felt her shoulders relax. She looked at her family and felt deeply grateful. She said, I'm home. Merry Christmas.
Beautiful story. Did you notice the feelings? Bustling means busy. Flustered means confused or stressed. Aroma means a pleasant smell.
Try to write one sentence using the word aroma in the comments.
We also asked our Instagram followers about Christmas. Here are some questions.
Marco from Italy asks, what is Boxing Day? It's December 26th. In the past, workers received gifts from their employers. Today, it's a shopping holiday in the UK and Canada.
Yuki from Japan asks, "Why do you leave cookies for Santa?" It's a way to say thank you to Santa. And sometimes we leave carrots for the reindeer too.
Ahmed from Egypt asks, how do I greet someone who doesn't celebrate Christmas? You can say happy holidays or enjoy your winter break. It's polite and inclusive.
Let's practice pronunciation. Repeat after us. Wreath. Sleigh. Chimney. Poinsettia. Mistletoe. Great job. Now let's try, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Wow, we covered so much today. Decorations, food, emotions, idioms, and culture.
You're now ready to enjoy Christmas in English like a pro. Remember, Christmas isn't only about gifts or perfect grammar. It's about connection and kindness.
Your homework. Choose 3 new words from today's lesson and write a short paragraph about your plans for December. Post it in the comments. We'll read and correct many of them.
And if you want to support Talk Mia, please share this video with a friend learning English. That would be the best Christmas gift.
Thank you for being part of the Talk Mia family. Whether you celebrate Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, or simply enjoy a quiet winter, we wish you peace and joy.
See you in the new year for more real English life.
Bye, everyone!
Merry Christmas!